Cravings. It happens most winters or when we are stressed or emotional. We crave the delicious food containing high sugar, fat and carbohydrate content. But why? There are many theories for this seasonal or stress-induced indulgence. These are main ones. 1. Long ago, we scavenged and gorged our food to increase body fat to survive the cold winter. Now, even though we have heaters and ample clothing, our programmed brains still feel the need to do this. 2. Being stuck inside more and being less active leads to boredom eating. How often do you find yourself mindlessly snacking away whilst watching TV, gaming, being on the phone, or just for something to do? 3. We get dehydrated by heating or too many layers, and our body's response to dehydration is often confused with feelings of hunger. 4. Studies have shown that people suffering from seasonal affective disorder tend to crave carbohydrates. So how do we overcome this? The first step of overcoming cravings and comfort eating is being aware. This means 1. Knowing your triggers, and 2. Knowing what type of food you overindulge in, example fatty, sugary, spicy or creamy. Let's look at 6 helpful tips. Take temptations out of the pantry, don't stock up on them. Control your portions. Don't grab a whole bag of chips or eat from a pizza box. Stay physically active. Walk, swim, dance, vacuum, mop, gym, play with pets or kids. Just get moving. Choose better options. Don't see giving something up, just replace it with an alternative. Don't shop when you feel hungry, tired or upset. You will likely grab the most convenient, unhealthy options. Stop mindless eating. That means consciously eating and not eating whilst doing other things that distract you, like TV. So to recap, have awareness, rid temptations, control your portions, be physically active, have alternatives, don't shop when tired or emotional, and avoid mindless eating. And finally, it is also important to engage support to address the underlying cause.